So today I wanted to show some of the twillies. So they're about 6 centimeters wide and they're double-sided. So it's a double piece of silk and it's folded over onto itself, and it's about 165 centimeters long, and it's different on the back and on the front. Now this one is the pink one, and I also have it in blue and I have it in green, but they're just fabulous inside a jacket or like what I'm wearing, just with a shirt or whatever. And it's just something long, and it can be worn as a headband or a belt or anything you'd want. So, and it also comes in the blue, as I say, and in green. Really nice patterns in there. It's actually a cross section from one of the horse gallop designs, and they're on sale at the moment with 25% off with small scarf code. So this is another one that is a long, narrow scarf, and they were in 3 colours. Some people like the long ones as opposed to the square. And of course behind me I have the Proud Peacock in the purple. And that's the lighter version of the purple. There is a darker, more vibrant colour as well. And it also comes as a long scarf. So that's it there as a long one. Really nice in the green. So it is lots of feathers and a beautiful peacock bird sitting on a branch. So that's it. And it comes in the navy and other colours as well. Now this is another one I wanted to show you, because I did show slightly with the other one yesterday. So this is the square, the 70 by 70 that I'm doing promotion on at the moment, and they are on sale, 25% off for both those and the twillies with the code small scarf. So just that way people ask me to show them again. So you get it from the corner, make all these pleats, bring them into the edge, have your hair tie, just pull it around there just so it doesn't come apart. Put it around your neck with the hem side towards the back of your neck, and pull the other side through the elastic. Just pull it through gently there, and then get the 2 ends of the pleats and pull them through like that. So you end up with something really nice, and there's plenty of volume in these, and they can be pulled to the side or to the front or wherever suits. But and you can pull it down longer, or there's lots of ways to do it, and they're really a great scarf. And you can still wear it that way, the cowl neck just pulled around and tied softly there. It's a great addition of colour, and that comes in the purple shoes. There's also the pink roses that I showed there last week, and that is the purple shoes one, really nice. And the pink wind is another one, and also I'm just going to do the promotion just for another while, and just seeing that this is here beside me, I have to show you again. It's the pink Proud Peacock. I have the purple version there behind me, and I have them in different styles, slightly different design on the website. Now that pleated thing that I'm just after showing you can be done with these large squares as well. Get that tip of the corner, use your pleats, get it right into over to the edge. You can do it really neat if you want to, but you don't really need to. Right over to the edge, get your little band around. Once it's a fabric band, you'll be fine. And then with your hem side to your neck, just put it around your neck. And with these, because you have more fabric with the larger scarf, do a little loop on that side and pull all of your little pleats through this loop on this side, hopefully, and then get both ends of your pleats and pull them through like that. Now you can flick that up, pull out whatever colours you want, pull it to the side, pull it to the front, any way you want, and you can tighten it up a little bit as well. It doesn't have to be loose, but and there you see, if you don't do a pleat, don't tie it into the actual hair tie, you can make these loops and they cover the hair tie, but not that will be seen anyway. So that's that one, and I think it's really cool. So, and as I say, that comes in purple and in navy and in green as well. So that's that, and you can again just wear it the normal way or around like that, and you know, just showing off your white end, usual way that I'm used to, which is around like that, pulling out the colours that you want, and then either two ties that way, and it's just not all that fussy, and it looks lovely and soft and neat, and that addition of colour under a jacket or with a white shirt or whatever you're going to wear. Is this one, which I just adore, and one of the customers posted it the other day on her, and it was just gorgeous on her. So this comes with a black background, green background and grey, and it's just gorgeous. So black and this navy, which is a kind of a navy blue. So it is the peacocks again without the bottom feathers. So it's just a lot of black and whites, but a lot of really intricate detail, and then it has the feather and the flowers towards the corner. So it has less of the really colourful ones, like in that one. It has more of a black and white and some yellows and oranges in it. So it's just really gorgeous with jeans for casually, or you could dress it up really nice with a nice coat, and it pulls out a lot of great colours. There's pinks. Just to quickly show you, that's the black and this is the grey. So the grey is divine as well if you want more subtle colours, but it still has all those gorgeous oranges, yellows, blues in there, of course, because I don't want to leave any colour out. And that's the black, and I have the navy on. So take a look, and they are all a limited edition. When they're gone, they're gone. Okay.